Get your kids off the ground. You've been tent camping. Well, you know what? No more. I got your family's first RV. Welcome to the Forest River Ozark. This just happens to be the 2690 BHK. You're looking at 32 feet 10 inches, roughly 6,600 pounds of your family's first RV that can easily sleep, gosh, I don't even know, 2, 4, 6, 8, maybe even more, but is highlighted by a bunk room that's versatile, giving you some additional storage. Speaking of storage, you also get some great organization with the Forest River Ozark, as well as an extra large kitchen, entertaining area, and then the parents' room is super sweet. But we're gonna start right back here in the bunk area. Now, I'm a fan of Forest River Ozark. If you don't know their line very well, they are a boutique style of RV, meaning they're unique floor plans. They have single axle as well as double axle. They have aluminum sided as well as the Ascent line, which is fiberglass. But I've been a fan of the way they design their RVs because they're different. And I like what they did with this one. So my bunk area, which is the rear campside of the 2690 BHK, features a luggage load door that's great for if you're coming back from Costco with the big giant cases of water, throw it in there without having to take it up the stairs. Or the bikes, the kayak, because if you notice, the floor plan allows you to load something all the way here, all the way up to the entertainment center, giving you practically 14 plus feet of space to load something if you need to. And what's cool about it is my lower bunk down there is just secured by a little J-hook. So if I need to sleep the kids, the adults, or whatever, these are double over double bunks. I don't see a privacy curtain, but I do have these little wire basket hangers, as well as USB-C and A charging and cloth shades for my windows. Plus, I got my little ductwork for my high output Coleman Mach AC, which comes with your Forest River Ozark. And Forest River, a while back, they started giving you these storage bins. Freaking love them. You can use them as laundry baskets, make stuff whatever you need to make. It's all pretty awesome. Now, across from our double over double bunks is going to be our bathroom, which is highlighted by a decorative herringbone surround shower, high-rise bowl, as well as more pretty cool looking storage and a corner mounted vanity. In here, I like my little shower curtain, matching the flow and the feel of the Forest River Ozark, and they used to do herringbone pattern all the way through their coaches. They at least kept it here on the shower, and I like the shower surround. We do have over 80 inches of clearance inside these bad boys anyway, so I'm not gonna be cramped here, even though the vent and fan is giving me a little additional headroom. Got my shower controls, my shower head, my notch right here for my soap or shampoo, as well as some hangers for whatever you want to put up there, towels, bathrobes, flip-flops, boxes of Captain Crunch. I also have storage here, which is adjustable. I like that feature because I'm not stuck with just what they give me. I can make it my own. Plus, I got these cool little storage baskets like I have in the bunks. Great for the rolled up towels, the soaps, the shampoos, the flip-flops, the boxes of Captain Crunch. Absolutely love it. More storage over here under my angled vanity, which I like how they gave me pressed surface countertop here, so my sink is undermounted, and the decorative matte black faucet there. GFCI outlet, mirrored medicine cabinet. Forest River and Ozark are really working it. Now, in most bunkhouse RVs, the bunk room is the highlight. But to me, the big kicker is this living area, which is highlighted by a beautiful Versa sectional, angled entertainment center with hidden pantry space, and a kitchen area with more countertop space than you can shake a stick at. Let's check this out first. Bar top right here, which will make a great little buffet or coffee station area. You'll also notice that it's right here by the entry point, which is where you're gonna find your tankless water heater, as well as your command panel to run out your super slide, run out your awning, as well as cut on your water pump and your lights. This also has the metal holder for your sound entertainment system, which is a portable speaker you can throw in your backpack when you decide to go hiking. You can also check your tanks, your waters, your tanks, your battery, the whole nine. And your tanks on this one, you got a 54-gallon fresh and dual 40s on your gray and your black. Pressed surface countertop all the way down. Tons of prep space here. I got my little cup washer right there. That joker had some pressure on it. Undermounted sink with the high-rise faucet. 3-burner cooktop with the microwave underneath, which I'm not mistaken is a Greystone and also is convection. Spice rack here, frosted glass inlay in my cabinets up top, and huge windows. I mean, if you want to see what's really going on, now you got the chance to right there. Underneath, I got more storage option. And I love how they did the non-shaker style. They did the European flat front with these European style brushed pewter pulls. Really a big fan of those. Full extension. I got drawer guides, solid wood construction. My 20K BTU furnace is ducted into the cabinetry so I won't have soft spots in my floor. And across from that, check this out. Boom! Pull out pantry. There's also this little suspension cord, which helps keeps it in place, and nestled very nicely into the slide here is your 10.7 cubic foot fridge freezer combo with more storage up above and frosted glass inlay. For an entry level RV, they went overboard with the features, especially this area right here. Now, not having a standard dinette, but being able to sleep 6+ people, maybe 8, maybe even more, you gotta have something. So you have this little table right here. And check this out. This thing goes however you want it to go. So it can be a dinette. It can be set up for whatever that is. Arm wrestling competition, workspace. And of course, you gotta have storage, right? Well, Forest River is not going to let you go with storage and stuff just rolling around in open spots. They gave you open space under here with the storage bins. And of course, your couch here. Let me get this out the way. Look at the space that you have here. Now, I usually will say on a jackknife sofa, you can't fit 2 people. Not because of the space this way, because of the space this way. This bad boy here is A-okay. I'm not cramped. You can get 2 adults there easily. And the fact that you got the chaise lounge right there too, I could remove this. Now I have even more space going this way. Or I could put a kid there, kid here, kid there for that nice little camp out. I got my TV backer for the entertainment, which is the palm mount, meaning I could also place this outside if I needed to. Component shelf, fireplace, which is a 30-inch Furion. You got about roughly 4,000 BTUs of heat coming off of that. Multi-flame, multi-light. Then I got more pantry space, more shelves, and a Mr. freaking walk-in pantry. Okay, we can't really walk in, but you can remove the shelves or make it adjustable. All in a coach. It's not even 33 feet long. Okay, dude, I'm digging it. Plus you're giving me 84 inches of height in here. What am I missing, man? Okay, you know what? Let's check that primary bedroom. Now your primary bedroom is highlighted by a walk-around queen-size bed, more ward storage, another palm mount, and how about even freaking more storage? All right, Forest River, we need to have a talk real quick. I don't know how much stuff you think I'm taking with me when I go camping. We're a little bit ridiculous now. We have gone overboard. You gave me ward space. You gave me storage up top. You gave me storage over here with technically a chest of drawers, thanks to the cloth bins. Plus, I got my solid wood pocket door. I got space under the bed that's strut supported. And oh, look, it's accessible from outside, plus more storage bins. And even a spot for my shoes. Having the bins and the storage bins, the cloth and the storage bins, awesome for organization. That to me is going to make the camping experience a whole heck of a lot better. Beautiful inside and out. Killing it right now, Ozark. You're killing it. And I'm here for it. Let's go outside. I got 2 freaking pantries in here, man. Actually, 3 pantries. The outside of your Forest River Ozark 2690 BHK is highlighted by pretty awesome looking aluminum siding. You got a 15-foot awning and the accessibly undered armor belly. Now, the Ozark, like I mentioned at the beginning, has 2 different packages. You got the regular, then you got the Ascent. The regular is entry level. It's meant for if you've never had an RV before, dip your toes. You don't feel like you're gonna break the bank because they're not gonna break the bank. But you're also gonna miss out on a couple of camp conveniences like powered tongue jack, power stab jacks, that type of thing. But if you've never had them, never had the benefit, are you missing it? Up front, you'll see we got the manual stab jack, twin 20-pound LP tanks, battery box, as well as the mini diamond plate rock guard here, leading me up to my Superflex roof. Now, solid base for this one too, oversized frame, but I think it's oversized because we are double axle on a 32-foot coach. Now, they have a special coating on their aluminum siding that I'm a fan of. It helps not only with going down, it looks a little matte so you're not reflecting all over the place, but more importantly, it's also going to help not make this thing fade over time. And believe it or not, this tough coat exterior that they use actually will also help the temperature regulation a little bit. So your storage compartment, which you saw is accessible from that bed on the inside, is right here. Finished off with that Congolium flooring, and right here is a good shot of the timber core construction with that fiberglass insulation that we have. Now, if you do upgrade to a lithium battery, which I would suggest, you have a ZAMP Quick Connect right here for solar panels. That's a little briefcase you can set out. That'll help trickle charge that battery and make sure you have some life in it. You got the accessibelly underneath here, which is a armored underbelly. Those are panels that also have this thermofoil coating on it that's going to help make sure you're not losing heat underneath. But more importantly, if you need to get to a tank or something, you don't have to take off the whole belly. You can just take off one panel at a time. Now, for your outside kitchen, you have a pretty big fridge, which I got to tell you, for RV outside kitchens, this is one of the bigger sizes. You also have an LP Quick Connect, if I'm not mistaken. Yep, down there. So if you want to bring the grill, do some cooking, hook up to your LP, absolutely can. Steel fold-up steps leading me into the doorway, 15-foot awning with LED light strip, 80% tint on my safety seal windows here. Back of my tankless water heater right there. Do me a favor, do not put a camp chair there. Don't ask me how I know. External shower with hot and cold, as well as your fresh tank fill here. Also, back of your 20K furnace right here. Don't put a camp chair there either. Don't ask me how I know. Double axle on this bad boy. Those are the steel rims and that extra wide berth on those Dexter Easy Lubes. That's just going to help give you a little bit smoother tow while going down the road. Rear stab jack, 4x4 sewer hose storage there, backup camera prep, as well as ladder prep. That comes in super handy, and I tell people, if you can, get the backup camera, but more importantly, get tire pressure monitoring, because that's the #1 cause of RV accidents is blowouts. Right here is that load door. For the rear, I got my bunks right there. Just love the fact that if I got the big case of water or even the luggage bags, the golf bags, the rifles, whatever, bam, I can throw it in right there. Now, on the off-camp side, city water connection and black tank flush all located right here beside my 30 amp connection and above my terminations, AKA dumps. Now on this one, remember, you got a 54-gallon fresh tank and dual 40s, 40 gray and 40 black. Super slide right here. Other side of my pass-through storage with the magnetic latch. Very nice because it's not the plastic clip. And these luggage doors are anti-slam and the hinge is covered, meaning you won't get exposed to the rain, so there'll be no rust. But probably the most important thing right here is going to be this info panel. This is where you come to see how much does this coach weigh. So for example, we're seated at 6578 dry. The gross vehicle weight on this one is 7715. We're still under 7,800 pounds for a coach that's 32 feet 10 inches. The Forest River Ozark 2690 BHK. Leave me some comments down below and let me know what'd you like about it, what'd you not like about it, where do you plan on taking camping. And if you want to see a couple of more options, we'll link some more videos for you down below as well. I'm Chris Young for Camping World. Hope you enjoyed the Forest River Ozark 2690 BHK, because I did. And by the way, if you got enough stuff to fill that thing up, we need to talk.